morning, guys!
Guys!
So today ay hindi nakapasok si Christian. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, why you didn't go to school? What is your feeling? You feel better now? Again. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So today is
A day!
Friday. Pero the bad news is Christian is not going to school because nagsuka si Christian kaninang umaga sa kanyang bed. Nagsuka ko. Yeah, but you said, pero nagsuka. You're sick this morning.
No,
And you know,
I'm okay.
you're okay, but you know the rules of school. Once you're sick, you're gonna go to school for 48 hours. So, ganun kasi sa school nila, guys. Kapag nagsuka yung bata,
Yummy!
let's say sa bahay kahit nagsuka, 48 hours dapat hindi siya papasok ng school. What have you done? What have you done? Did you kiss Ayla?
Yeah?
Have you?
Yeah.
So yeah, dito ganito kasi dito yung rules sa school nila. Ayaw ko talaga mag-absent si King, pero baka magsuka na naman siya doon pagdating sa school, no? At saka, gaya nung nakaraan na hinatid ko si King, tapos nagsuka siya. Tinawagan ako, guys, kararating ko lang ng bahay. Tinawagan agad ako na sunduin si Christian kasi nga nagsuka. Is that a snake?
No.
Is that a wave? A ocean wave.
I got a whale.
Whale shark.
Yeah, shark.
Like that.
I got a whale.
May sipon nga si King, oh. May ubo din.
That's a whale shark.
Yes.
That's a whale shark.
That's what the whale shark.
I did it. A whale.
The whale.
A whale.
So they swim together. The whale and the shark.
A friend.
They're friends. The whale and the shark is friend.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. So, the whale tsaka yung shark is friends. So, yun nga. Back to tayo doon sa kwento. Dito, guys, sa school nila, dito sa UK, kapag yung, iwan ko lang sa ibang school, pero dito kasi sa school niya, kapag nagsuka yung bata is 48 hours na magstay sa bahay. Hindi siya pwedeng pumasok sa school kasi mahawaan yung ibang bata kasi bugs daw yun. So, anyway, yan. Tatlo kami dito ngayon today. Mommy is filming.
Yay.
You know Mommy is filming?
Yeah.
No, you're not saying Mommy's talking on the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so what Christian gonna do if Mommy's talking the camera with aunties?
I love you.
I love you. What Christian gonna do? Christian gonna behave and watch Mommy or talk to guys.
Yay!
Yeah. So Christian gonna talk to guys that Christian is absent today because I'm not well. Isn't it?
I will now.
Finish your food now.
I will.
You better now, but you still cannot go to school.
Why?
You sit down in the chair, come on. Itong batang to parang unggoy to eh. Akyat, ano ba? May mag-akyat-akyat. Sige na. Sit na in your chair. Baba, King, baba.
Mommy.
Baba.
Bobby.
Come on.
Mommy, Bobby.
Okay. Love you too. Okay, sit down properly.
Now,
I think my egg is okay now.
Mom.
Thumbs up. So, Christian is having, what are you
The
having?
ankle.
What are you having?
Ankle.
No, what is your food?
Ankle.
Cereal and milk.
Cereal, cookie, cereal, milk.
Yeah, cereal, cookie, and milk. So, yan. Dito kami ngayon sa bahay. Tatlo kami, guys. Ito, magulo na naman itong bahay kasi nandito si Christian, which is, okay. Kasi naman sa school siya na nasunduin ko pa din siya pag nagsuka doon. So, nagluto ako ng egg. Nag-boiled ako ng egg, guys. Tingnan mo dito. Nag-boiled ako ng egg. 3 piraso yan.
Mommy, you
Diyan ko na siya niluto kasi nga,
want to see you?
the egg, here, I'm boiling egg here. Oh. Kasi nga, yan na yung breakfast ko at saka mag-coffee ako. So, yeah. That's our life for today, guys. Nandito pa pala yung mga pumpkin na binigay sa akin ni Cora. Display ko pa din siya. Cute kasi niya, guys. Ang liliit niya, oh.
See you want to see, Mommy?
What? The egg?
Yeah.
No, it's not cooked yet. I want it cook. Ito yung mga pumpkin na binigay ni Auntie Cora King, oh. Ito yung pinakamaliit pala.
Why?
Ito yung pinakamaliit.
Why not cool now?
No. Very tiny. I cannot cook this.
How?
Yeah, just for display. Yeah, so nandiyan pa din siya. I think this egg is okay na, isn't it?
No.
I think it's cooked.
No.
Not yet.
Mhm.
Ito, hugasan ni Mami ito kasi yan tote ni.
Mommy,
Ayun
look at
na.
that one.
What's happened?
That one, I got thicker.
This one?
Yeah, I got it thicker.
Mm.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so eat your food now.
Now I got it thicker higher.
I can't understand, King. Sorry, what you say?
The one.
What about it?
It's thicker.
Ah, got sticker.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, finish your food na.
Put it.
Me, I put in there.
Why?
May sticker daw yung ano yung...
Why, Mommy?
Ah, itong baso may sticker daw. I don't know. I just find out that the sticker is already there. I think you put it or by mistake. I don't know. May sticker kasi yung baso.
You put it there?
I don't know, Kim.
Okay.
Luto na itong egg siguro. Tama na. Right.
Yeah, they like it.
Go Jetters! Come on, come on. King, don't do that. Come on, come on. Go Jetters! Itong isa naman to eh. Parang gusto naman ito makijoin. Gusto mo makijoin kay Mami? Look, Ayla. I'm watching Ayla. I'm filming Ayla. Look. Play with Ayla. Ayla. No, that's it. Play with Ayla. Baby Ayla. She's smiling, she's smiling. Baby Ayla. Baby Ayla. Baby Ayla Susana.
Hello, baby Yaya.
Kiss Ayla. Beautiful. Tingnan si Ayla, guys. Ang laki na ng big. Ito din yung palaway. Palalaway talaga si Ayla, guys. Oh. Basa na naman ng laway. Yung bib niya, nabasa na. Ito yung isang baby, oh. Yan ang isang baby. I told you don't touch, right? Ayla Susana! Ayla Susana! Ayla Susana! High five! Is she gonna high five? Do it then. High five, Ayla! I think she's still a baby for it. Yeah. Give her a toy. Yeah, give it to Ayla like this one.
What is that slime?
Ayla!
What is it right there? There? That's over there.
Ayla!
Over there? That's his name. That's his name there.
Your nose, King, can you please get tissues?
Well, that's his name.
Wipe your nose, King.
That's his name there.
It's nothing. What letters? Say it. Huh? 5 and
7 SAO.
wala nang ngipin si King. Pero nagpapatubo na yung ngipin mo, King, no? There's a new tooth coming. Come on, show me. Show me your tooth, oh. Oh, there's a tooth coming, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, ito. Oh. Ayan. Tumubo na yung isang ngipin. Yeah, you got tooth coming now. Ayla, ang baby ni Mami na big girl na talaga siya, guys, oh. Big girl ang baby, guys. Yeah, wipe your nose. May ano din si King, eh. May sipon din si King, eh, oh. You have to wash your hand after, okay?
No.
Oh, I know. You're gonna spread that to Ayla and Mommy.
Oh.
Yeah, if you don't wash your hand. Ito maganda itong ano na to, yung palabas na to, yung. Oh yeah. Thank you. So ngayon, guys, nasa bahay na kami, hindi kami pwedeng lalabas kasi nga si King is not well. At saka dito lang chill tayo all day dito sa loob ng bahay. May kasama si Ayla at si Kuya Christian. Ayla at Kuya Christian. At Kuya Christian and Ayla. Say hi, Auntie. Hi, online titas. Hi, online titos. Hi, online grandma. Naki-grandma na si Ayla, guys. Kasi hindi pa nakikita ang mga grandma. Kasi wala pa kaming pera pang holiday ng Pilipinas, guys. Kaya magnood na kayo ng video namin para makapag-holiday na kami sa Pinas. Char! Di ba, Ayla? Oops, Daisy. Nice. Ang oras ay alas 12 na ng tanghali. So, nag-request ang may sakit, guys, na what do you want to eat, Christian? Nag-request siya, request siya, guys, na gusto daw niya ng sushi. So, yung gagawin kong sushi is yung egg at saka na may spam, yun na lang yung lutuin natin. Ngayon si Ayla. Ganyan yung chismusa. Chismusa kong anak. Ganyan yun siya, guys. Kapag dito yan siya sa ano ko, gusto talaga niya yan. Lagyan natin. Yan siya. Parang ano lang kami dalawan. Parang kangaroosh. Kangaroo, mami. And Ayla. Ito ko natin ang itlog. So ito yung wrapper na ano, na binili ko sa Amazon. Parang nag-ano na nga siya, oh. Hindi ko siya crispy. Ano ito baso ba ito? Dalawa naman ito nabili ko. Hindi ko siya crispy, guys, oh. Pili pa. Isang sushi na naman yung kailangan natin. Ito di aking dalawa. So, ano ito dyan? So, ito yung buhay natin, guys. Naglutong data. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya, ginawa ko lang siyang pabilog. Para maganda siya maya pag-wrapper. Pag nag-wrapper na tayo, dito ang pag-wrapper. Tapos, next is spam. Ito yung spam. Ito mga nilipis na lang. Yung mga sira na. Kasi hindi ko siya naalis sa pagbukas. Nasira na kasi yung opener namin. Yan na lang siguro. Tapos, inamay lang, no? Sige na, kami na naman kakain ito, guys. Kahit nakamayin. Ayan. I think masarap ito pag lagyan ng ano, no? Lagyan ko ng yung stick na crab stick. May crab stick ako dito. So, November pa siya mag-expired. November 26. Patay dito ng mga kasi dito ito naman ito siya. Patay dito ng mga okay. Tatlong piraso lang. Tapos initin lang natin siya para talaga hilaw siya. Hindi naman siya hilaw. Ito siya, guys, ready to eat naman siya na ano. Pero gusto ko talaga siya initin. Para masarap siya kainin. So, tatlong ganito. Gutom ka na, Ayla. Naamoy mo yung pagkain. Right? Are you hungry with it? Simpleng sushi lang ito, guys. Wala, hindi ko siya gano'n ito. Pero okay na yan. Kasi dalawang sushi yan. Ayla! Ba't naiyak ang Ayla? Tingnan niyo. Si Ayla. So, yung mga main ingredients natin. Where are you? I said sit down here, not here.
Okay.
Are you eating or not? Don't touch it.
Where's the mirror?
So, barit toyo lang yung nilagay ko, guys. Tsaka kailangan natin ng knife. Para sa egg. So, either way, ito na, guys. So, lagyan natin ng rice ito. Rice. Right. So, ganyan na, guys. Ipaplat na lang natin yung rice sa nori. Ayan. You want this? Christian wants egg.
No.
Egg. This steak.
Yeah.
I told you bring the tissue wherever you go. No, just wipe of your.
Ah.
That's Ayla.
Anyway.
No, that's Ayla.
Yeah.
That's Ayla, Pai. So, ayan yung spam. Ay, you want spam?
Dad?
This. Is this yummy?
No.
Don't want it. Bala ka.
I bomb.
So, egg na lang kay King daw at saka. Yan. So, ganyan lang, guys. Tapi-tapi na natin. Tapos, you want ketchup, right?
Yeah.
And then, mayonnaise.
That egg. That egg, Mommy.
Egg mayonnaise. Right. So, ngayon, ikutin na natin. Pag ganon.
Oh, you do that?
Ganyan siya, yes. Wala ba't ang kapal?
You do that, Mommy? You didn't.
Kapal siya, King ba?
And you make it?
Kapal niya.
Are you gonna make it?
Ang kapal. Iwasan muna natin konti kasi makapal siya. Ang kapal. So, ganyan.
Guys, I'm making.
Palpak.
I think you're not.
Dapat pala sa bandang huli, hindi ko siya nalagyan ng rice. Kasi makapal na siya, oh. Tingnan niyo. It's okay. King love that. Okay. Yeah, you love that, right?
Yeah.
Especially the guys. King love this sushi. So now, hatiin natin yung sushi ni King.
Guys is naughty.
Or, what are you to guys naughty? Parang makapal ng rice ko. Dapat konti lang. Wala lang
Nami
masarap.
yan ang making.
Right, Christian. Try natin to.
Why you do that, Kat?
Cutting the sushi.
Why?
Yung sushi ko, guys.
I saw you sushi.
Parang ano
I
siya.
saw you sushi.
There you go. Try. Bye-bye. Bye.
No, I saw you sushi. Shono! No, saw you sushi.
Yup.
I saw you sushi.
Ito yung toyo. Have a bite. Can you fix your chair, please? Yeah. Bali, yung ganamit ko guys is regular rice lang siya. Lagyan mo siya ng toyo. Medyo maalak. Dapat pala sa loob itong shiny. O itong ano ba yan? Ano guys? Ito. Yan. Yan. Mataba ang sushi. So, lagyan natin ito ng crab stick. Tapos, kasi ako ang kakain, ayaw making kasi ng spam. Lagyan ko ng spam. Ibang version ko to guys, no? Making iba din sa kanya. More spam tayo. Kinamay na yan guys. Ako na naman kakain guys. Kaya hayaan nyo na ako. Tapos lagyan ko ng egg. Another egg.
Eat it. Mommy, eat it.
Cut them.
Cut them.
Yeah. Make it half. Yeah. See?
Mama.
Tulog na si Ayla. Tulog na si Ayla, guys. So, ito na yung akin. Siguro tapos ubusin ko na itong egg. Ito sa edge. Nakasya itong itlogan na yan. Naganito ko siya guys para siya mag ano siya. Para siya mag ano talaga siya. Magdikit siya ba. Ito parang perfect itong gawa ko. Yan. Sushi. So yan guys, sushi, hatiin natin. Hindi na makita masyado. Ayan, baby, tulog. Ito, King, parang perfect siya, King. Yeah, perfect siya because it's small. Oh, very nice. It's amazing. Yeah, so, ito yung sushi natin, guys. Nakagawa tayo ng sushi. Guys, oh. Sushi. Simple lang siya, oy, egg at saka spam. At saka lagyan mo ng toyo. At saka yung crab na strip. Right, kainan na tayo, guys. Ang sarap na ito. Hindi ako makaupo kasi ganyan naman si Ayla, tulog, oh. Yep. Mas masarap siya kapag may ketchup at saka Ito. Ay, masasagasin. Try ko mo po ha. Ang hirap kasi may baby. So, yeah, kain tayo guys. Sushi. Hmm. Chill lang kami dito, guys. Bali, binaba ko yung foldable na foam namin sa taas. At saka nilagay ko dito. Tapos dito kami sa dito kami sa sahig nakatulog. Nakahiga. Ito yung si Ayla. Ayla! Ayla! Look! Chill lang si Ayla ba? Kanina talaga, iyak na iyak to. Puro iyak to kanina. Nabuti ngayon, nagsettled na siya. Kasi may sakit si Kuya Christian. No? Hindi alam ni Mami, sino unahin eh. Si Ayla ba? O si Kuya Christian? Oh, dear. You okay? So far, kumakain na rin si Christian ng fruits. Si Christian, guys, oh. Don't touch it. I told you already, right? Yeah. May sipon talaga siya, uy, si King. May sipon talaga si King. Yung ano talaga siya, uy. Kawawa naman ng baby.
Bye, guys.
Pogi-pogi pa naman to. Oh, very handsome. Ang aking baby boy.
Mommy's just joking.
No, I'm not joking. You're so handsome, King. Look at you. You're very handsome. It's true.
Mommy's joking me.
I'm not joking you. I said you're very handsome.
No, Mommy's joking.
Who is your friend again name? Who's your girlfriend?
No.
Ah, you don't have girlfriend.
Yeah?
Ah,
No?
Atina? Yung friend mo si Atina? So far, pero ang sipon talaga ni Christian, grabe talaga itong sipon ng batang to eh. Dito ano siya, yung sipunan niya problema, tapos so far yung kain niya, hindi naman marami, pero at least may kinakain siya ba? Oh, ano to? What are you eating? Oh, may cookie siya, at saka may orange. Yeah, orange. Yeah. Oh, si Ayla! Naka. Oh my God! Anak pa more! So, ganito guys, ganito na pala kahirap yung dalawa yung anak. Tapos may sakit yung isa. Struggle is very real. Wala akong tulog guys kasi si Ayla, ang oras na siya natulog kagabi mga alas 4. Maaga na siya natulog ng alas 4. Tapos si King, iyak din ang iyak sa room niya kasi nga masama talaga pakiramdam niya, kaya hindi siya pumasok kanina. Tapos, itong baby girl naman, needy din. Very clingy. Oh, tignan niyo, oh. Settled siya kapag hawak ni mama. Pero pag hindi hawak ni mama, iyak nang iyak siya, King. She keep crying, iyak. You know what is the cry in Tagalog?
Yeah?
It's iyak.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, let's say Tagalog words. Let's say Tagalog words. Come on, just put there. Just put online mommy's there. Just put the camera there, and then we're gonna speak about Tagalog words. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's speak about Tagalog words. Tagalog world. Come on. Come on. Tignan natin, ha? Okay. King gonna say... Ay, wait. Oh, look at Ayla. She said, you're covering the camera. They cannot see me. That's what Ayla said. Oh. Okay. Oh, diba? Ganito pala kahirap ng guys pag wala kang mama dito sa abroad. Pag sa'yo lahat. Uy, wipe your nose quick. Wipe your nose. And then, ganito pala kahirap guys ang struggle, no? Kapag walang mother, walang help. Tapos may sakit yung mga bata. Grabe, ang pagod. Pati ikaw, siyempre pati ikaw, hindi ka na rin makatulog kasi nga, namatayan mo yung mga bata. Kung mag-iyak-iyak maya-maya, kung okay ba yung lagnat, mga ganun, the system. Diyos ko, yung ko lang talaga naranasan guys, yung mga ganito. Kasi yung kay King before, parang hindi naman masyadong mahirap kasi isa lang siya, yung walang kahati, puro kay King na lang yung time. Pero ngayon talaga guys, minsan, naiiyak na lang talaga ako kasi parang sabi ko, bakit ganito? Ganito na lang ba talaga? Ang hirap. Pero sige lang. Kaya pa naman natin. Kasi wala namang ibang solusyon yan guys. Ako lang naman ang makakaano sa hirap sa sarili ko. Okay. Kasi lalo na si Ayla, maliit pa talaga. Siyempre, si Ayla, needy talaga siya. Gusto talaga niya, hawak-hawak din. Kasi baby pa to 4 months pa lang tong baby eh. Di ba Ayla? 4 months ka pa lang baby, no? Di ba baby girl? 4 months pa lang ikaw. Pero tingnan niyo siya guys, kaya na yung ulo niya. Naano na niya yung ulo niya na ibubuhat na niya. Very good, Kuya Christian!
Are you really?
Yeah, very
Are
good.
you potty? Are you the potty?
It's okay. That's fine.
And in my potty.
It's okay. You got napping because you're not well. That nappy is fine if you're not well. Kasi nilalagyan ko siyang nag-ihi daw siya sa nappy niya. Sabi ko, okay lang yan kasi kapag may sakit siya guys, talagang may nappy siya kasi minsan natulog ba. Okay na. So, that's all guys for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
I love you. Hey guys.
Sige nga daw mag-vlog.
I get
Okay, speak to guys na.
Mom, kitten, and Christian.
Show your face then if you say you're Christian.